Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and paprika lover. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Sam is making a dry rub so good, you won't miss the barbecue sauce.
You can use it right away, or keep it in the pantry for months. There's a thin membrane on the back of the ribs. We're just gonna snip it, then tug it right off. The more dry rub, the better. Just save some for later. Bundling the ribs encourages them to steam and get tender. They'll roast low and slow at 300 degrees for hours. Now, bump up the temperature to 500 degrees. Save the juices, because we'll be using them soon. Here's where the extra dry rub comes in. It's going to form a crunchy, crusty bark on the ribs. Roast for 10 or so minutes. Brush with the reserved pork fat. Now, keep baking until they're crispy. Flipping the ribs upside down makes them easier to cut. And that's baby back ribs in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!